Hello guys, welcome back to my apartment tour video today. This is the master bedroom. So I'm just going to show you what I've done. I'm going with a hotel-esque theme. So I purchased the bedding from Ikea. Well, it's a duvet cover. And I just put a comforter on the inside of the duvet cover, and this duvet cover is called Silver Tistel. This is the full queen, and it also comes with 2 pillow shams. Here is the second one, and I'm just going to open this pillow, and this one is the Wildcorn Queen size pillow. Put that in the second pillow sham. And yes, I'm going to wash everything. I just wanted to see how everything was going to look. So I have to do that now, and then everything will go in the wash later. There's that $1 million view. Bear with me, guys. I have to do the bedrooms and the bathroom separately. As anyone knows who's doing these apartment tours, it takes a while for them to come together. So this is the other pillow sham. So like I said, with the duvet cover, you get 2 pillow shams. And then for the Euro pillow, I decided to go with a black case. So just give me one moment. I'm going to show you. So guys, this is the black pillow sham. It's girly. It's 65 by 65 or 26 by 26. This is the bigger pillow cover. The other size is, for reference, I believe 20 by 20. Those are for the smaller cushion inserts that you can find, like all the normal cushions for like your living room. That would be the size 20 by 20. But for these big Euro pillows, you need the 26, sorry, I have the wrong thing, 26 by 26. So smaller pillow is 20 by 20. And then I'm not going to take the cover off right now. Like I said, I'm just showing you what the bedroom, the master bedroom, looks like. A work in progress. Oh, shoot, that doesn't sound too good. Okay, let's try to get that in without it is a zippered case, which is nice because it's hard enough to get this in. But you wouldn't want to do buttons or anything else. And these, just for price point, these huge Euro pillow covers were $6.99, I believe. So very reasonably priced. Let me just see which way. Yeah. So it was on the bottom. So just for reference, you could either have the bed like this, just gonna take that one out, so you can do either this, like this, well, you have to do a bit of filming for this. And also, I got myself a light for this dresser. And the light is called McRoglin. And this one, I believe, was $12.99. So again, the duvet cover was $39.99. Comes with 2 pillow shams. The individual Euro pillows covers were $6.99. And yes, and the lamp, I believe, was $12.99. And the pillow insert was $8.99. So you can make your bed look expensive or hotel chic for a very reasonable price. So again, you can either have the pillow shams. Not doing too good of a job of filming. 1 second. So that's what the bed looks like. So those behind. I think I'm gonna leave it this way though. So this is the finished bed. The bed is also from Ikea. And the dresser, I can't remember the name of the bed. And the dresser, I believe, is the Melm dresser from Ikea. And then this mirror is just from Marshall's. So this is the completed bedroom. So guys, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a few more videos finishing off the rest of the apartment. So those are on their way. So thank you again.
please like and subscribe.